Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Open your cameras.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I'm just opening in a minute to take my book. Ma'am, the test was very easy.
Yes, that is what my next question was about to be. How was your exam?
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon, ma'am.
Very easy? Very nice?
Yes, ma'am, it's very easy.
All right. I haven't yet checked your papers. We'll check and let you all know your performance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everybody take out your books. Let's start new chapter today.
Ma'am, can I go and get my book?
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you always say that in our class, no single boy is there. But when in exam, sir told us many people are in French only, most of the boys.
Okay, most of them were boys.
But they are not. Yes, ma'am.
They have come from France. Why do they need to attend classes? They are already from France.
Ma'am, I said to sir that, sir, many of them are not attending classes of French, so how they have taken French and how they know everything about it. Sir said, no worry about it. It's
That's why, ma'am,
the
the
fault of them.
Yes. Who is your class?
before
Gaurav Dev
Ma'am,
Sharma.
Gaurav Dev. Yes, ma'am.
God of them.
Yes. They are relying on Google Translator, and that is how they are giving their exams. But with that, the concepts will never be clear. You can only translate, but the concepts will never be clear if you rely
Ma'am,
on
I
that.
have doubt. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in the French exam, the last question that is about we have to write country and nationalities in French. So,
Yes.
ma'am, in first question, we have to write nationality or country in French.
See, the question was write country name or nationality. It was asked in that way. Now I'll tell you how that question was supposed to be done. Take out, you have the question paper? Anyone has it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I have my answer.
Yes, the question was, the first name was, I think, Spain.
Yes, ma'am.
Spain. So Spain is what? It's a country or nationality written?
And it's a
Ma'am,
country.
Country, right? So what is Spain called? Spain is called L'Espagne. So that's the answer. Right? Then what was the next thing? Read out the next one.
Ma'am,
Algeria. What is written? Algerian. Algerian.
Yes, ma'am.
And in bracket, masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. So now here I have written Algerian and
Ma'am,
bracket.
but Algerian, ma'am, but Algerian is in masculine form, so we have to.
So it is what? It is not country name, it is the nationality, isn't it? So how you're supposed to write? Algerian. That's the answer. Spain is country name, so we have written L'Espagne. Algerian, and it is mentioned in bracket that it has to be written in masculine form. So we'll write this.
Okay.
Ma'am, in first one, I thought that in which you have written masculine or feminine, we have to write that own type, and where it is not writing, we have to write by own. So I write Espanol. I will not put apostrophe.
You wrote Espanol. You wrote this?
Yes. Yes.
So beta, what is this? This is what? Spanish. Spanish masculine. Now what is written here? Spain. Now you understand the difference?
Yes.
What was the
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
Read the question. Question read करो क्या था?
Write the country names and nationalities in French as given.
As given. So as given, now country name is given, so you have to write country name. Nationality is given, so you have to write nationality. As given means this. Okay. Now let's come on to the next chapter, which is Leçon 7. Quel jour sommes-nous? What is quel jour sommes-nous? How many of you remember?
Ma'am, it is what day is it?
Very good. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day we are in? Okay? What day we are in? So today it's, how do you reply this thing? We are doing this. We are revising it. We have already done it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have already done it.
Yes.
So what you will do is, along with me, even you are going to write everything in your copies.
Ma'am, can I go and get my notebook?
Yes, go and get your notebook also if you're sitting without it.
Ma'am, the answer is nous sommes samedi.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is
Quel
nous
jour
sommes
sommes-nous?
samedi.
Answer is nous sommes. Since today it's Saturday, so we are going to reply nous sommes samedi. Now, if suppose this question is asked to you on the day of your exam, what are you going to reply? You will not reply samedi if suppose it's Monday. I'll consider that particular day only. Okay? So don't mug up the answer. Just try to understand the answer. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
One way of replying the question is nous sommes samedi. The other way is say samedi aujourd'hui. It is Saturday today. Say
Yes, ma'am.
samedi aujourd'hui.
Ma'am, we say today is aujourd'hui.
Yes, today is aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui stands for today. Aujourd'hui means today. What
Ma'am,
is
these
yesterday?
Ma'am, these both means one meaning.
Yes, both the words mean today. This is one word only. The space was less, so I had to write it here. This is one word. What today is aujourd'hui. What is yesterday? Can anybody tell me what is yesterday? Yesterday is hier. Hier. H-I-R. Hier. Then, what is tomorrow?
Female.
Can you see the board? No.
Yes, ma'am, now it's fine.
Dama. Tomorrow is Dama.
Ma'am, can you please again pronounce for yesterday?
Yesterday, hier. hier. H is silent. Aujourd'hui, hier, demain.
Ma'am, we have already written these things in copy.
Yes, we have already written, I know, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I said it is just a revision for all of you. Let me just click a picture. Yes. Then, what are the days of the week called? Who remembers? What are the days of the week?
Ma'am,
I
can I?
remembered we
Ma'am,
have
can
done this
I?
in
Ma'am,
fifth
can I
class,
tell?
sixth class.
Yes, tell.
मैम कैन आई टेल डेज ऑफ द वीक सबसे पहले लुंदी मारदी मार्केदी मार्केदी जूदी एंड जूदी एंड वैन बॉन क्रेदी सामदी एंड दिमोन
Demonch. And what do we say? The days of the week. What is the heading? The days of the week. What is it called?
ले जोर
Age of the last man.
ले जोर द लास्ट समय
Very nice. Les jours de la semaine. Now, what are the days of the week? Starting from Monday, we have
लंदी
lundi,
लंदी
mardi,
Mardi.
मार्केदी
no, just mardi, mardi,
मादी
Mer-
नेक्स्ट वन
credi, mercredi, jeudi, Von, en is on. Vendredi, vendredi, then samedi, and what is Sunday called?
Dimanche.
मैम दिमोन
Dimanche. So these are the days of the week, starting from Monday till Sunday. Okay, all of you have written this, right? Now what we'll do is all of us will make a table. Go get your rulers and a pencil as well.
Okay.
Now, write this. Avant, what is avant?
Ma'am, what you have written in the third column is not clear.
D-E-M-A-I-N, Dama. No, don't write Dama, don't write Dama. Après, right? Après. Before, today, and after.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
I know, beta, I was writing. Now, can you see? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try to do this table yourself.
Ma'am, we have to do like this. Lengthy. What was the day
Yes.
day before
What comes
Monday?
before lengthy? What comes after lengthy?
Ma'am, in the second column, it's Jende. So we'll write what will come after Jende and before.
What is going to be if yesterday it was yadi, then what is today? And what is after that?
Ma'am, done.
Or children, if you are getting confused with avant and après, what we can write here is that will be more appropriate. Ye and demain. Yesterday, aujourd'hui, today and tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have done.
Write it like this also. Make a slash and write these words. All of you have done it? Everyone has done? Or still doing?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Just
Ma'am,
1
just a
minute.
second. Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let's move on to the chapter. We'll start
But
chapter.
ma'am, I don't have book. Ma'am, I don't have book.
Okay, one of you please send the PDF of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am
Sent?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
sent.
Okay, check children. You must have got it.
No, ma'am, I don't
Ma'am,
have.
I am sending.
Okay, you're sending.
Maybe it's downloading.
Got it? Got the
No,
PDF?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it's loading.
Okay, beta, okay.
Ma'am, in today's class, first boy joined the class.
Yes, Arnav has joined it.
Ma'am,
Kibla.
Kibla has sent that PDF.
All right.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Yes, got that PDF now. Let's begin. Let's start reading. Who will read? Who will start to read?
Can I read?
All of you, first of all, open your cameras. Paridhi, Kanak, Arnav. Three of you open your cameras and let's begin. Yes, Kibla, start.
Okay, ma'am. 9. Landy, Geography, English, France, Mardi, EPS, Mathematics, Mercury, Mathematics, Music, UD, Science, Art, Biology, Vendredi, English, Mathematics.
Okay, better leave this. Read from the the lower one. Écoute et regarde.
Okay, ma'am. Écoute et regarde, listen and see. Manuel aujourd'hui, nous sommes Jojo. Caroline, nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. Manuel a demain, non avant. Ma'am, what?
Okay, listen. Let's start from begin. Oh, sorry. Let's begin from the starting here. Manuel is Kibla. Okay, Kibla will be Manuel. Sanya will be Caroline. Then, yes, Zehra will be Anish. We have three characters. Now speak your dialogues.
Aujourd'hui, nous sommes Jojo.
Who is Caroline? Sanya? Sanya Alam. You are
Okay,
Caroline, beta.
Let's read them. Nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. We are ready today. Ma'am, what is jeudi?
Jadi, Thursday. It is Thursday
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
The sentence means it
It
is
is Thursday today.
Yes. Then, what is Manuel saying? Kibla, you are Manuel.
A demain, nous avons un cours d'anglais. J'adore l'anglais.
Okay, wait. Ah, demain, nous avons un cours d'anglais. That means tomorrow we have a class of English. J'adore l'anglais. I love English. Okay, everybody write down the translation.
Can you please read?
Okay, wait. Let's do the whole passage first. Then I'll give you time to write down the translation. Next dialogue, Anish.
Ma'am, ma'am, 8 après le weekend.
Et après demain, c'est le week-end.
C'est le weekend.
Yes. Now, Caroline.
Okay, ma'am. Alors, tu vas au les samedi, Isabelle et Manuel vont à la piscine.
Okay, that means
You are the ma'am, today is the you
wait.
are
Now wait.
ma'am, what is this, Amade?
Okay. Tu vas où?
Samedi
Where
is
do
a
you
Saturday.
go? Tu vas où le samedi? Where do you go on Saturdays? Now, when you put le before any name of the day, that means on that particular day. If I want to say on Saturdays, I go to the club. I will say le samedi, je vais au club. Le dimanche, je vais à la piscine. That means on Sundays, on Saturdays. So here it means alors. Now what is alors? Alors means so. So, well, where do you go on Saturdays? Isabel et Manuel. Isabel and Manuel vont à la piscine.
Ma'am, picnic.
They go
Ma'am,
to
it
the
means picnic.
no, not picnic, swimming pool. Piscine in French is swimming pool. And picnic is picnic only with a little different spelling. Picnic. Okay. Then what does Anish say?
Je vais au club de sport at Caroline.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
Anish replies, je vais, I go, je vais au club, the sport. I go to the sports club. And Caroline, then what is Caroline's reply? Let's listen to it.
Okay, ma'am. Les samedis, je vais à la piscine, mais ces samedis, nous allons au cinéma. Now, I understand first sentence meaning on Saturday, I go to the swimming pool.
Yes. On Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool. Mais ce samedi, but this Saturday. Now, ce here means this. And may means but. But this Saturday, we are going to the cinema. On Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool, but on this Saturday, there's a different plan. Of course, there can be a different plan. Usually, Caroline goes to the swimming pool, but this Saturday, her plan is of going to the cinema. All right. Now, write all these lines in your copy along with the English translation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you're unable to do any single word, then of course you can ask me. Just see if you can do all the words. Yes, you can translate it completely.
Ma'am, when I'm opening PDF on the WhatsApp, my camera is automatically off.
Yes, no problem. You want me to share the screen here and show you the picture?
Ma'am, if you want.
Yes, I'll do that.
Ma'am, at the beginning of chapter, it is given timetable.
Yes, in this chapter.
Ma'am, in the beginning of this chapter, it is given timetable.
Yes, the timetable is given of the whole week. What time which class takes place. Okay, children, now you can say it from here and do.
Ma'am, can you help me in the second sentence?
Nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui?
Yes, ma'am. The Caroline, which
Yes. It is Thursday today.
Ma'am, the first line manually saying what day is it today?
Yes. Today, what day is it?
Ma'am, can you please tell in third line what manual is saying?
Okay. Manual says, dama, like oh, tomorrow we have our English class, a class of English. Kur is like class. Okay, we tomorrow we have a class of English. I love English. J'adore English.
Ma'am, in fourth line it is like tomorrow is weekend.
In the fourth line, A apre dama. Now, what is apre dama? Dama is tomorrow and apre dama is day after tomorrow. See, in the passage also what they are saying? Today is Thursday. So when is the weekend? Weekend is on Saturday, right?
Yes.
So if you calculate, it comes day after tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम आप हेलो को फ्रेंड्स में क्या कहेंगे? मैम हम हेलो कहते हैं तो मैम इसको फ्रेंड्स में
And salute.
Hello is salu. Yes.
ओके मैम एंड गुड नाइट को एंड गुड मॉर्निंग को
Good morning is bonjour.
मैम ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड फ्रेंड्स में बोल सकूं इसलिए मैं आपको कंफर्म करती हूँ.
Chote chote words.
मैम जैसे हम रोज गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट या हेलो कहते हैं तो उसमें फ्रेंड्स में बोल सकूं मेरी फ्रेंड्स अच्छी हो जाए तो इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Bonjour, madam.
If you want to learn small words, you should actually start using them in your daily life. Like for example, I tell you to do something. So say, bien sûr, madame. Sure, ma'am. Like you've done your work, or will you be able to do it? Sure, ma'am. So it's bien sûr. Bien sûr, madame. Do you find the work difficult? Not at all, ma'am. What is not at all? Pas du tout, madame. These little words, just start speaking and eventually you'll learn it. Gradually you'll bring them on your tongue.
Ma'am, what is the means in downside heading written in English? What we pronounce it?
Écoutez et regardez. Écoutez means to listen. And regarder is to see something, to look at something.
And ma'am, it's downside where it's very for.
Okay.
This written.
Dit, re, ou, faux. That means tell, true or false. Dit means to
Okay,
tell.
ma'am.
Re means true. Faux means
Ma'am,
false.
please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, please explain the fifth one.
The fifth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alors, tu vas où le samedi? So, where do you go? Now they have spoken about the weekend and day after tomorrow, it's the weekend. So Caroline says, so where do you go on weekend? Where do you go on Saturday? Isabel and Manuel go to the swimming pool. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is yes?